I've never, ever in my life seen this kind of damage.
Bridges were out, roads were gone. When they're telling you it's biblical flooding, I mean, that's pretty serious. We're still rebuilding, we're still moving lines out to the right-of-ways. We still have areas we can't get into, you know, especially up in the remote areas in the mountains.
We might be here all day and all night, but we'll be back in the morning. We'll do that until it's fixed. It's physically demanding, it's mentally demanding. You spend time away from your family, but you do it to make a better life for yourself and for them.
It's hard to get skilled labor. It's hard to get guys that want to be out in the field working with their hands.
When I started this work, we used to chase storms, and you know, as the years go by, they seem to get bigger and bigger. To do the damage it did this far inland is just mind-blowing. Mind-blowing.
We do it for the families. We do it for the people that laid up after a storm for 10 days straight and don't have air and heat and all that, you know. You gotta get out and you gotta fix it.
If I had 5 crews, 20 guys, 25 guys sitting on my doorstep, I'd hire all of them tomorrow.
I am proud to be a line worker. You know, I raised my family doing this business, and if I couldn't have a better group of guys than what I have, and I care for each and every one of them, I do.